In your Crime Watch tonight, a trial date will be set for a 24-year-old accused of brutally murdering his mother inside her apartment late last year. And tonight we're learning more details about Lake Smith's relationship with his mother leading up to this brutal death. News 5's Laura Wilson at that preliminary hearing today. She's in studio with the update. Laura.
Well, I do want to warn our viewers, some of these details are very graphic. 47-year-old Judy Smith was found dead, wrapped up in a blanket in her Colorado Springs apartment back on October 26th. That same day, her son, Lake Smith, interviewed with police for around 6.5 hours, where he eventually confessed to murdering her. Smith says he was at her apartment playing video games until just before 3 a.m. on October 24th, when he went into her room and stabbed her in the neck while she was sleeping using a pocket knife. Then, according to his confession, she crawled out of her bedroom asking him to call 911. Smith said he tried to suffocate her but was unsuccessful, so he took a meat cleaver from his pocket and cut through his mother's throat until he, quote, hit her spine. The knife was later recovered from Smith's car, and police also found her wallet and keys in his backpack. The defense countered today, saying Smith was hungry and exhausted when he was taken in for questioning, and say he only gave a confession after denying his involvement 26 different times. They also told the judge that Smith suffered a history of abuse from his mother, referencing part of his interview with CSPD where he said she used to roofie Smith and let men rape him in exchange for money. The defense also questioned why CSPD never interviewed the victim's ex-boyfriend during this investigation. Ultimately, the judge determined there is enough evidence to set a trial date, and arraignment has been set for February 14th. But here's where it gets tricky. Police have not gotten results back on any of the evidence submitted for testing. The defense is hesitant to set a trial date until they have that. Prosecution said it could take another 3 months for results to come back in, to which the judge responded, "That's disconcerting." He asked prosecutors and police to try and accelerate that process. Smith, in the meantime, is being held without bond. We'll let you know what happens next.
Laura,